feeling well, staying safe during this time. I know that it is a crazy time at this moment, but I want you all to know that God has it in his hands and it's under control with him upstairs. Okay. I hope you guys are safe with your families. I hope you guys are doing well mentally, journaling, meditating at this time, figuring out who you are, with everything being so slow. I think it's a good time for everybody to actually meet themselves, you know, with the whole world being on pause right now. But I just wanted to come in and tell you guys that. And then also I have a new recipe for you guys. Pretty easy, pretty simple. I'm using what I have in this house. So if you guys don't have to go out to the store, don't go out. Just improvise with anything that you can. Okay, my creators, let's get it. So I have some shrimp here. These are pretty big, colossal shrimp. And then I also have the little ones as well. So whatever size you have, whatever size you want to do. Then I also picked up some sriracha garlic sauce from the store. Again, if you don't want to go out to the stores right now, totally understand. Just go ahead and get whatever type of sauce you can. You can put some sriracha, some regular garlic in a pan together with a little bit of ketchup. That'll be that sauce right there, I promise. I have 1 medium onion. I have some red pepper. And then I have some rice. Going out to the store just because I don't have one ingredient. To each his own, but for me, if I don't have one ingredient, I'm okay with improvising. Okay, so these are all your ingredients right here. Now this will be on sale very, very soon, but at the moment, if you don't have that season, of course you don't, because I haven't put it out yet, but you could just use some parsley, some garlic, some paprika, or whatever type of spicy shrimp you want to put on there. But me, I love garlic and herb. Okay. To 1 cup of rice. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my rice in here. If I can't find my cup measure. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop me some rice in there. This is a 1/2 cup, so I'm gonna do 2 cups, okay? And that'll be enough rice for me. Put my lid on, set it and forget it, and let the rice cooker can't talk, girl. Set it and forget it, and let the rice cooker do its job. Just give me the line. Okay. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started with my. Oh, of course, wash your hands first. Please wash your hands first. I hope you guys are doing a lot of hand washing, extra hand washing at this time. As am I. You know, you guys, I've always been a wash your hands extra kind of girl. But after all this, my hands is even more ashy. Jesus bless me. Even more ashy. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to just julienne my bell pepper that I have. Okay, and I like the strips. If you like them smaller than this, then to each his own. But I like mine in strips. I like to see the actual strips. You guys, that's my dog Lolo back there. You're probably gonna hear Ollie soon. They are Chorkies and they're crazy. You know, I never thought I'd fall in love with a small dog breed. You guys, but those little girls, they have my heart. I was a pit bull lover before all of this. But now I just love my little Chorkies, y'all. I love my little babies. Okay. So the rice is on. Then we have our onion. And I'm probably, because I like my onion You know, I just love onion, and I just love fresh vegetables, you guys. But I don't think we need that much. Okay, that's probably good enough. Okay, that's probably good enough. So I have that all cut up, and then what we're gonna do is I have my shrimp here. Now these have the little tail and stuff on there. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and take the shells off of them. I think that'll make it easier for me at this time, because I won't have to worry so much about taking them off when they're done. Now, when it comes to Mr. Daniel Jr., he ain't gonna eat the rice and the all of the stuff that I want him to eat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna saute these shrimp by themselves, and then I'm going to hi baby, there he is, y'all. He must have felt me making a YouTube video. So I'm gonna take these off, and I'm gonna do his just by themselves without the rice and everything. Okay, and as my girl Tabitha Brown says, you know, sometimes you just got to get in the kitchen and cook from your spirit. It's not all about having everything that you need, especially during this time, you know. And you know, my journey was not to come on here and talk about, you know, COVID-19 right now, because everybody's talking about it, and honestly I want to get away from it. But you know, I just want happy thoughts right now. We all know what's going on at the moment, and I feel like we can just de-stress for a minute. Just look at me peel this shrimp, y'all. Just look at me peel this shrimp and have good conversation and talk about the good life, okay? Because that's just what we're gonna do. That's just what we're gonna do. So I'm peeling off all this shrimp. I want to know down in the comments below, I want you guys to tell me some things that you guys are doing that is making the time go by faster for you. Are you guys creating? Are you guys resting? You guys watching shows? Doing a little bit of both? Whatever you're doing. If you're an essential worker, I thank you so much. You make this world go around more than we knew. And I just want to say thank you for that. But at this moment, I want to know what you guys are doing. I am journaling. I have been working on my seasonings that Lord willing is going to drop in the summertime. Yeah, make sure you guys get the veins out of here. I have been working on my seasonings to drop in the summertime, Lord willing. I need a little bit that I did. But that's okay, because Papa, aka Danny Jr., he will enjoy these little ones all by himself. But yeah, some days you're going to be happy, some days you're going to be sad, some days you're going to be confused, some days you're going to be like, what the F? Other days you're going to be lifted. But just take it one day at a time, you guys. That's what I had to back up and realize for myself, was to take it one day at a time and to not overwhelm myself with thoughts and emotions and what could happen. Instead, you know, I'm fixing my faith on God. I'm fixing my faith on positive things, because that's the only thing that you can do at this moment. That's the only good thing to do at this moment. Okay? of my shrimp almost done. Normally, I wouldn't bore y'all to death and talk to y'all like this. Look at me. Talking to y'all and stuff. I would have paused. And stuff I would have went ahead and zoomed it on by. So put that in here. I'm going to rinse my shrimp off in here. Alright. This smells so good. I'm talking about the pepper before. You know, you can tell when you need vegetables. Because for me, I can tell when I need vegetables because it's like my mouth waters so heavy when I smell a cucumber or something. I know it sounds weird, but I promise you it's the truth. Alright, so I'm going to put my garlic and herb seasoning on there. Then I'm going to put in some garlic. Maybe 1 tablespoon of garlic. You don't have to put in extra garlic if you don't want to. Yeah, I know, I'm a garlic girl. I love my garlic, so yeah. I'm going to use some garlic. Okay? And then, y'all cannot go wrong with this. It's called Sazon. I think I'm saying it right. Tropical. You just need a little bit because sometimes it can get a little salty. I promise you on that. And then I just have my Tisha's Creative Cooking Himalayan salt right here. I'm just gonna sprinkle just a little bit of salt on there. Okay. All right. And this next part, you can do what you want to do as far as in using butter or oil. Let me let y'all know something. I don't got that much butter. And y'all know I said in the beginning that I'm trying to limit my times on going out. So guess what we're going to use today? We're going to use some oil, y'all. We're going to use some oil. I'm going to... I'm also going to put in some paprika. I actually need this paprika for something else, but I want my shrimp to be nice and flavored. Do y'all think paprika has a taste? Tell me y'all. Do you think paprika has a taste? And we're gonna put a little pepper on here too. Okay. You know, I promise you, most of the time when I'm cooking, I just be coming up with simple things in my head to use and to put together. And I think that's why, as you guys can tell in most of my videos, I be like, oh, and you will need this. Oh, and you will need that, because I just be forgetting. Well, I just be cooking from the spirit, should I say. I be cooking in the spirit, okay? And I am going to put in, trying to open it, y'all, these green pepper flakes. See that? See how they look? They're just green peppers, and they're honestly just dried. It goes really good with your seasonings and your vegetables and stuff. I promise you cannot go wrong with those green pepper flakes. I love them. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys over here where my skillet is. The shrimp honestly takes no time to cook at all. Therefore, it'd be better to get these peppers going first. Okay. Get the peppers and the onions going first. So I'm just going to drop it on my pot now. I'm just going to saute this around in my olive oil for maybe about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Okay. And then now I'm going to put in my shrimp. So I have my shrimp. And you want to, you know, Cook your shrimp the way you want to cook them. Y'all would never believe that somebody had the audacity to come to my page and they said, "Oh, you overcooked the shrimp. You are supposed to," well, we gotta share. You are supposed to cook your shrimp for, what did he say? I think a minute or something. 1 minute, and then put them on ice. Honey, let me tell y'all something. Whoever that was, I love you. Thank you for the comment, but mind your business. Because I'm going to cook my shrimp how I want to cook my shrimp. If I want my shrimp crunchy and overcooked, guess who's eating it? Me. All right? Me. I'm eating it. I'm just giving y'all a tutorial on how I like my food, and I know some people would like their food like this as well. So just calm down, all right? Enjoy the show. If you don't want to, cook it for as long as I'm cooking it, then guess what? That's your business. That's your business. But I like a little bite to my shrimp. I put some olive oil. But I like a little bite to my shrimp, okay? And if you don't like that, that's perfectly fine. Take that out. Take your shrimp out as soon as you want to, okay? That's your business. Whatever you want to do. But I like my shrimp a little crunchy, okay? A little overcooked, I can say. Alright. So I'm going to take this off. Just a second. Take it off. Okay. Y'all see that? Take it off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few out. Y'all know who I'm going to take a few out for. Mr. Daniel, okay? Take a few out for Mr. Daniel. Because, again, like I said, he's not going to eat the whole experience. He'll just eat the shrimp. I'm going to be lucky if he likes the seasoning that I put in. Okay, so we back. And now I'm going to put in this Sriracha sauce. And again, I repeat, if y'all do not have the Sriracha sauce at home, or your local grocery store don't have it while you're doing this recipe, please just put some Sriracha sauce on it. Some Sriracha, some ketchup, a little bit of sugar, probably some vinegar. I promise you it's the same seasoning, okay? Don't go out and make unnecessary trips right now if you do not have to. If you want to and your grocery store has it, that's cool. But I got this from, what is it called? Food Line. Okay? I got this from Food Line. Okay? So that's looking good. It's smelling good right now, y'all. I'll go ahead and put my shrimp back in. I mean, ooh, that's looking good. And y'all can use as much sauce as you want to. See how I made that shrimp stir fry come together, y'all? That looks so good. That's going to be so good, too. Okay? Y'all can use as much sauce as you want to. I'll probably put just a little bit more sauce on there. But I'm not going to use all of it. Honestly, this sauce reminds me of Sriracha sauce. Okay? So our rice is almost cooked. So once our rice is cooked, we're going to plate it up. Then we're going to see what it do, boo. Okay? Y'all don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. Y'all can add some vegetables, some more vegetables on the side if you want to. Do what you want to do. But for me, for us, I think this is good. Okay? And here are my dirty enough dishes. Ain't this crazy? Okay. So let's go ahead and put that right on the top like y'all. This looks good, y'all. looks good. I know it's about to taste good. Y'all, a little piece of heaven on earth. So I'm just gonna make it look nice and full, because you know I gotta get my photo cred. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, that looks good, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Please stay safe. I love you all. I hope you all are doing well. And until next time, my creators, continue to believe in yourself. Thank you for tuning in.